This is our handicapped raised bed garden, which will be accessible to someone in a wheelchair or a walker. We are going to put gravel and pavers down so that the surface is solid. These are two 6-foot raised bed gardens. This would be available for someone who has a physical disability, preferably someone who really needs it. We have some other beds that are raised up high, but this one is designed so that the wheelchair person in a wheelchair or a walker could be here and seated in their wheelchair, and they could participate in the garden from both sides. I also designed it so that this props up and holds open, and now this is a working surface for that person, so they could tend their seedlings. They could, even if they wanted to have their garden, have pots in the garden so that they could pull the pot over and work on it, on the plant, and then put it back. It's all open for ideas. We're hoping to have all 20 of the raised bed gardens ready for next spring. We're taking applications now, and I believe the application is available at the ephist.org website. The leadership committee, we had our first meeting last Tuesday, and we're open to volunteers to come and join us. We're also going to have a garden committee, and then that garden committee will handle more of the management of the gardeners. The garden row leader, we're hoping we'll have one row leader who will handle any disputes that come up between the gardeners, which tend to happen. Someone took my tomatoes or what have you, or just to share information so that we're not all involved, because Cheryl and I are both co-presidents of the Historical Society, and we've got our hands full there. But these are designed, and then that can fold down, and the gardens will be available this fall. Actually, we're going to plant peas in most of the gardens as a cover crop, and also some gardeners are interested in planting garlic, and I have lots of garlic, so that goes in this month, middle October.
Eating all of it.
This is my favorite weed. It's called lamb's quarter, or goosefoot, or wild spinach. And it's a weed that when it flowers and seeds, it makes millions of seeds. And clearly in the compost from the city, they had goosefoot, or wild spinach, or lamb's quarter, all three names. But that's one of our favorite weeds, or my favorite weed.